Understanding Normalize the Values, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into a phrase that sounds a bit technical but is quite common in various contexts. Normalize the values. Whether you've stumbled upon it in a math class, during a data science discussion, or in a more metaphorical sense, understanding this phrase can unlock a new level of comprehension. So, let's get started and demystify what it means to normalize the values. When we talk about normalizing the values, in a literal, mathematical sense, we're referring to the process of adjusting the data values to fit within a certain range or scale. This is often done to compare datasets that originally have different scales or to prepare data for analysis in machine learning models. Normalization can make values easier to compare or combine by ensuring they operate on a similar scale. Imagine you're measuring temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit in the same study. Normalizing these values could involve converting them all to one scale. Beyond numbers, normalize the values can also be used more figuratively. In this context, it's about making certain behaviors, beliefs, or practices standard within a group or society. For example, advocating for kindness and empathy to be normalized in community interactions. This usage highlights the social aspect of normalization, aiming to shift perceptions and attitudes to create a more inclusive or ethical environment. Understanding the concept of normalization is crucial not only in technical fields like statistics or computer science but also in everyday life. Recognizing when and why we normalize values or behaviors helps us engage more thoughtfully with the world around us. It encourages us to question which standards we consider normal and how they affect our interactions and decisions. And that wraps up our exploration of normalize the values. Whether you're adjusting data points in a dataset or reflecting on societal norms, this phrase encompasses a powerful concept of standardization and adaptation. We hope this video has shed light on its meanings and applications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video, and remember, keep learning and keep growing.